What's up, YouTube? Silver Dragons here, and in this video I want to talk about this stuff right here, silver bullion. We're going to talk about premiums, and we're also going to talk about why right now might be a really good buying opportunity if you want to stack silver or invest in physical silver. All right, let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, so silver bullion. Yes, the premiums on silver bullion have been outrageous in the year 2020, but they are coming down. They are normalizing. In a few moments, we're going to go over to the computer and I'm going to show you some low prices. But, what is silver bullion? It's just silver bars, silver coins, silver rounds, junk silver. It's physical silver that you can actually buy. You can hold it in your hand. That's one of the great things about buying physical silver bullion, because when you hold it, yes, you know that you own it. So anyway, let's go over to the computer. Let's look at some of these different prices for silver bullion that I found, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about why right now is actually a really good time to be getting into silver. All right, so here we are at SD Bullion, one of my favorite places to buy silver. There'll be a link down below in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. But here we're looking at some half dollars. All right, so this is 90% silver. This would be considered junk silver. Really good sale going on right now, $10 face value, and it's only $1.79 over spot. So that's a killer deal compared to what we've seen just in the past few months. I mean, you were looking at $5, $10 premiums for some of this stuff. So absolutely great to be seeing the premiums coming down. 19x face for junk, that's right around $26.60. So yeah, under a $2 premium with the price of $24.80 right now. So another one that I saw was Monument Metals. Now, a little bit bigger of a purchase here, right? The 100-ounce silver bars. But the one thing I will say about Monument Metals is they typically do have good deals when they have stuff in stock. So I like checking back on their website every now and again just to see if I can find anything. So yeah, here we are, the 100-ounce silver bars, secondary market. This is all standard stuff here. This is silver bullion that you could buy for stacking or investing purposes. A lot of people like the 100-ounce silver bars. That's about $1.60 over spot. So really good deal, especially compared to what we've been seeing in the recent past. The only downside I would say about buying 100-ounce silver bars is it's a lot of silver to get in one package, right? You can't break it apart. So if you wanted to sell just a little bit at a time, you're kind of out of luck. So a better option would be maybe 10-ounce silver bars or generic rounds. So I went over to Silver Gold Bull, and this was actually the best deals I could find right now for 10-ounce silver bars. So check this out. Here we got 268. So that's not really that bad. That's still under a $2 premium, just a hair under. So really good deal, I would say, actually, for 10-ounce silver bars. A lot of people like these, super popular. And then on the generic rounds, a very similar price. You're looking at $26.68. So I guess a little bit better of a deal there on the 1-ounce generics. If it were me picking between the two, I'd definitely go with the 1-ouncers, just personal preference. But, all in all, these deals that I've showed you, every single one is under a $2 premium. And just last summer, you could not find any silver for a $2 premium. So the premiums are definitely coming down, and the silver's getting a little bit more affordable. So there you go. There definitely are some good deals out there to be found. I know there's a lot more than just those. We've just scratched the surface. But one thing that a lot of silver stackers look for when they want to buy silver bullion is a low premium. And for that reason, I actually didn't show you any of the American Silver Eagle coins, because these are still carrying a pretty heavy premium. When I was buying American Silver Eagles last year, I was getting them for about a $3 premium over spot. So I bought quite a few of those, but the thing is, the premiums are still right around $5 on American Silver Eagles. So I would say those still need to come down just a hair more before, I would say go ahead, pull the trigger on them. Right now, I would still recommend just buying generic silver bars, generic silver rounds, junk silver, that kind of stuff, because the premiums are a little bit lower. And at the end of the day, if you can keep the premiums low, you can buy more silver. All right, now one thing I really did want to cover in this video is why now might be a really good time to be getting into silver. Or if you've already been buying silver, why now might be a really good time to be buying more. So I know we talked about the premiums backing off, which is excellent. But what about the spot price of silver? As I mentioned, we're sitting right around $25 an ounce. So what can we expect moving forward into 2021 and really even beyond that? Will we see higher silver prices? What's going to happen? So I'm not a wizard, right? I can't predict the future. I'm also not a financial advisor. I'm just another dude here on YouTube. So, I call it like I see it. And the fundamentals to me are screaming higher silver prices moving forward. One thing I would say you should pay attention to is the U.S. national debt. Just this year alone, it has gone up significantly, and it's not supposed to decrease in the rate of which it's going up. In fact, it's supposed to increase in the years to come. So the U.S. government is going to have to create a lot more currency, and when they do this, we're going to have inflation. Inflation will cause the dollar to be weaker, and we will see the prices of precious metals likely go up as a result. Also, in a weak economy, lots of people like to put their money into what is known as the safe haven assets. Silver and gold are one of those. So I think we will see more demand for silver in the coming months, in the coming years. And for those reasons, I think we will see higher prices. Now, what about buying silver at a peak, or what about buying silver at a dip? Should you be worried about that? Which brings me to my video I just recently made talking about dollar cost averaging, when to buy silver, all that stuff. So if you missed that video, I'll put a link up in the corner as well as a link down below in the description. There is tons of good information jam-packed into that video. I literally call it pro silver stacking tip. So definitely check it out. If you're curious, is now the right time? Should I wait a little bit? When should I buy silver? You need to watch that video because I talk about dollar cost averaging and the power of doing so. And that really enables you to buy physical silver bullion whenever you want, because at the end of the day, you're going to have an average price, and in the ultra long term, you're going to be totally fine, because with inflation, yes, the price of silver will go up, as we've seen decade after decade after decade. So anyway, what do you think about the prices right now on physical silver bullion? What do you think about the premiums? Have they normalized in your mind, or are they still a little bit high? I remember last year, physical silver premiums were about $1 over spot for generics and stuff. So it might be a little bit higher than that right now, but I do think there's a lot more demand. So that might be the reason. But anyway, leave a comment down below with all of your thoughts. And I want to say a massive thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.